Namaste everyone. I'm Acharya Prakash. You're welcome to this Nepal Yoga Home YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to give you detailed information about Kapalbhati Pranayama. It is also called Kriya because Kapalbhati is part of Satakarma, 6 process of cleansing. That's why it is also considered as a Kriya in yoga. It is also counted as pranayam because after certain stroke, if you hold the breath, it counts as a pranayam. There is a small difference between the Kapalbhati Pranayam and Kapalbhati Kriya that I am going to clear you today. Also, there is lots of variation and modifications of the Kapalbhati Pranayam. I am giving you more than 10 different variations of the Kapalbhati which can help you to assist you for your mental, emotional and physical health. Kapalbhati. Kapal means school. Bhati means shining. Kapal also called brain. Bhati means shining. Removing all the stress from the brain, it helps to shine our brain. That's why it is called Kapalbhati. There is cranial cavity inside our brain, and cranium is located inside the cranial cavity. That cranium, it starts to stimulate and helps to release lots of required hormones, chemistry in our body. That's why Kapalbhati is count as a mental detoxification in a Satakarma. Also, it has lots of physical detoxification. It helps to remove the toxic from the digestive system. It develops our oxygen capacity so that we can receive more and more oxygen. Our blood can be more oxygenated. It boosts our circulation so that the toxic that is remaining in our blood will purify. It can heal a lot of the digestion related problems like gastritis, gas, indigestion, acidity, reflux, obesity, and a lot of the problem it can heal. Those who are suffering from their mental stress from long and long, it helps to take out all the suppressed thoughts. That's why it has the amazing effect in our mental and emotional life. If you are emotionally shocked, if you are emotionally break, this pranayama help you to revitalize. This pranayama help you to create a happy and healthy life. I can't explain the benefit of Kapalbhati. There is one quotation, Kapalbhati Jivan Sati. It means Kapalbhati is a friends of life, part of life, is a lifestyle. If you make the Kapalbhati as your part of lifestyle, and it helps you to remove mental, emotional, and physical toxic that is gathering from many years. What is the main process of the Kapalbhati? Before this process, I'd like to tell you some precautions. If you want to do Kapalbhati, at least you need 4 hour gap between your food and practice. After having a heavy meal, you should wait for 4 hours. The best practice could be the morning because you have a 8 hours gap between your night meal and the early morning. So this could be the best time. If you want to do evening time, you must keep the gap between the meal and practice at least 4 hours. Though we have a pregnant woman, they cannot force their abdomen. Just they can do the Kapalbhati focusing their upper part of the chest, or they can avoid this practice. Though we have a duodenal operation, this practice is not suggested. Though we have a ulcer or hernia, this practice may not be ideal for them. During the menstruation period, don't force to do this pranayama focusing your lower part of the abdomen. Maybe you can focus your upper part of your body around your chest. Otherwise, it may cause a overbleeding. You have to follow these precautions. Now, I'm going to tell you how to practice this Kapalbhati. If you don't perform this Kapalbhati in appropriate way, it may cause a side effect. What could be the common mistake for this practice? First of all, on this Kapalbhati practice, our inhalation is very passive and exhalation is very active. So you don't force for inhalation, just you force for exhalation. Second point, while you exhale, your belly, your chest should be squeezed. If you are exhaling and your abdomen is expanding, that may cause a side effect. Whenever you do Kapalbhati, in your every single stroke of exhalation, your chest and abdomen should be squeezed. Also, many people they unnecessarily shaking their body during the practice. That may not give you right benefit. On the other hand, while they are doing a forceful exhalation, we can see a lot of discomfort in their face. Don't make awkward face, discomfort, and miserable face. While you are practicing, you do with this smiling, being quiet, being calm. Though we have a high blood pressure, they cannot do forcefully. Even they must avoid the fast process of Kapalbhati, but they can follow the slow version, slow modification. It would be good. Though we have a high blood pressure, it has suggested to do slow version. Though we have a lungs problem, it has not recommended to do fast modification of the Kapalbhati. So, if you prepare all these things, if you follow all these precautions, your practice would be amazing. Now, I would like to go to process of Kapalbhati. The very common practice is forceful exhalation. At the same times, we hammer our abdomen. But before this practice, if you do these two practice, it is very helpful to get a more benefit. What are these two practice? For good inhalation and exhalation, our nostril must be open. Without opening your nostril, just you try to do forceful exhalation, maybe your exhalation may not give the good impact in your body. So, what we are doing is first, we are doing the left nostril Kapalbhati. How to do left nostril Kapalbhati? You keep your index in your third eye, your thumb on the right side, and then rest three fingers, you can fold it. You forcefully exhale from the left side of the nostril. You can place your left hand in a gesture of the wisdom, and then place your hands in a Nasika mudra. There is various Nasika mudra. Among of them, this is one. You close your right nostril, your index in your third eye. Only you exhale from the left side. At the same time, you are strongly hammering your abdomen so that your abdomen go completely inside. While you are hammering strongly, all of your internal organs that comes in exercises, your liver, kidney, pancreas, stomach, so that it can remove the toxic from there and all of your internal organs get healthier. Your stomach is going in while you are hammering. After 20 hammering, you're holding your breath. You should force to exhale, not for inhalation. After 20 hammering, you inhale from the same side of the nostril. You hold it. Finally, exhale from the same side left. While you are holding your breath, your Mulabandha, root lock, and Jalandhara throat lock should be locked very well so that the prana has a good impact inside the body. While you do the hammering, your whole effort is to forceful exhalation. At the same moment, you give the priority to hammer very strongly inside. Your whole stomach is pumping inside so that all the organs that comes in exercise. At least you can perform a 3 round from the left nostril. Now practice one more round. During this hammering, your root chakra, sacral chakra, navel chakra, all they are squeezing so that your lower energy can regulate upward direction and it helps to awaken the kundalini. It is also helpful for a lot of urogenital problems, menstruation problem, female problems. You inhale through the same side left and exhale through the same side left, so that your left nostril get completely open. What is the difference between the Kapalbhati Kriya and Kapalbhati Pranayama? In Pranayam, after certain stroke of the abdomen, we hold breath in. But in Kapalbhati Kriya, there is no process of holding the breath. If you are doing Kapalbhati Pranayama, you must hold breath after certain stroke. Now, I hold my breath after 20 stroke. 20 stroke is very appropriate. Like this way, after doing a 20 stroke and you hold it, it counts as a one round. Like this way, you can repeat 3 to 5 rounds every day. Now, I'm going to do Kapalbhati through my right nostril. How to do Kapalbhati through the right nostril? You should place your left hand in a gesture of the wisdom, and then your middle and ring finger. It close your left nostril, and you can place your index in your third eye like this way. And only you exhale through the right nostril. At the same time of exhalation, you must hammer your whole abdomen. While you are practicing this, your inhalation is very, very passive, but your exhalation must be very, very, very active. At the same time of strong exhalation, you must give strong hammering to your abdomen. Also, you can place your left hand in a gesture of the wisdom or abdomen. At the beginning, you may have difficult to hammer your abdomen. So, better if you keep over your abdomen. Let's start. This is one round. Like this way, you can repeat 3 to 5 rounds. Now, my nostrils are more open. Most of the time, your nostrils are active alternately. 1 hour, your right nostril is more active, and after that, next hour, your next nostril is more active. So, this process is going on. When they are equally active, it helps to awaken your Sushumna Nadi, the Kundalini, the real bioenergy. Before doing this pranayama, if you do the left and right nostril Kapalbhati, it helps to open your both nostrils so that we can get better benefit to awaken our Kundalini energy. So, Kapalbhati also used in Kundalini Kriya, Kundalini awakening. Now, one more round from the right nostril. 20 stroke. It gives amazing lightness, happiness, whatever the suppressed thoughts you are gathering, it helps to release. Do this every day. After this first basic practice, now we are going to do next advanced practice. While we are doing a Kapalbhati, the very common practice is to hammering the abdomen. It is the foundation. First, we do this foundational practice. Then I am teaching you many more variation of it. Place your both of your hands in gesture of the wisdom. Keep your back straight. Your face is very relaxed, quiet, and calm. Your job is to exhale very forcefully. At the same time, you hammer your abdomen. You don't rush to take a breath in. Breath naturally feel into your lungs. Again, you hammer very forcefully. After 20 strokes, you should make a Jalandhar Bandha, then exhale through the both nostrils. Let's start. After 20 strokes, you make your Jalandhar Bandha. Exhale through the both nostrils. It gives the amazing impact to your internal organs. No exercises can activate your internal organs, but in pranayama, it has such a amazing technique which can stimulate you all the internal organs. This is very common practice. Now, what's the secret behind it? I'm going to teach you. Those who have a urogenital problems, those who have a excretory problem, those who have a kidney problem, those who want to heal their lower part of their abdomen, they must focus their lower part of the abdomen towards the root and sacral chakra. Around your urogenital system. What you do is you forcefully exhale, on the same time you squeeze your root and sacral chakra. While you do this, lots of the energy start to distribute in your body. The Kundalini start to awaken. It is a very secret practice of the Kundalini awakening. While you are hammering, you are squeezing your root and sacral chakra. All the genital organ, anus, and lower part of the abdomen is squeezing at the same time. Then again you feel the breath without force and you forcefully exhale and you squeeze your lower part of the abdomen. Very forcefully you exhale at the same time. It helps to heal many different disease that is around your lower part of the abdomen. Let's try. Now I'm not focusing my middle part, my lower part of the abdomen, especially root and sacral chakra. 20 stroke. After 20 stroke, you lock your breath in. Then you exhale through your nose. This is one round. You can repeat 3 to 5 rounds. It's very, very powerful and effective practice. Now we are going to do Kapalbhati, focusing our chest region. Most of the Kapalbhati they do with the focusing the abdomen. Now we also can do focusing our chest. What we do is our inhalation is very passive. All the way we allow to feel our breath in our lungs. And after that, we forcefully exhale and we squeeze our lungs and chest. All the attention is here to squeeze. Especially you focus your heart chakra. This is very good to release all kind of the emotional disturbance. Good for lungs related problem, asthma, bronchitis. Good for heart disease. But though we have a heart disease, they should do slow version. Let's start. Hold the attention in your chest. You try to squeeze at the same time of the exhalation. 20 rounds. After that, you hold your breath in, locking your throat, and you exhale from both nostrils. Let's try. Then you inhale, hold the breath in, then exhale completely. It's amazing practice for lungs, heart. But though we have a high blood pressure, they should do slow. And heart disease, they should do slow. It also heals your throat and all this region, though are suffering from coughing all the time. It helps to release all the mucus and cough from their chest region. Those who have very chronic bronchitis, asthma, it helps to remove that kind of problem. Now, I'm going to tell you three very important modification of Kapalbhati. Normally, Kapalbhati, we focus around our abdomen or wherever you focus, lower region of the abdomen or around your chest region. You can modify in three different versions. What are these three modifications? For lower part of the body, we can do three modifications. For the middle part of your abdomen, you can do three modifications. For the upper part of your body, around your chest, you can do three modifications. What are these three modifications? That is, three speed, Druta, Madhyam, and Manda Gati. Gati means speed. Druta means very fast speed. That is, very fast. 1 second, two stroke. Madhyam Gati is medium. 1 second, one stroke. And Manda Gati is slow. 2 second, one stroke. You should begin with the 2 second, one stroke, Mandagati. Then you can go 1 second, one stroke. Then you can go faster, 1 second, two stroke. You can apply for the upper part, middle part, lower part, so that it has a 9 different variation. You can do Kapalbhati by 9 different variation, and with both nostril it is 11 total. Right nostril 1 and left nostril 1. 11 variation I give to you. Now I'm focusing my abdominal region. First I do the Mandagati, very slow, one round. And then I do the Madhyam Gati, means medium speed. And then after that I do the Druta Gati, the fast. How to do Mandagati? Mandagati is very good for those who have a high blood pressure, heart disease, or though we have a stomach related problem or stomach pain, they cannot go faster. On that cases, they can follow this. Let's start. Keeping your both hands in a gesture of the wisdom. We are going to do Mandagati, focusing our abdominal region. 2 second, one stroke. Then we take a deep inhalation. Hold the breath in. Exhale through the nose. This is Mandagati Kapalbhati. Now we are going to do Madhyam Gati, means medium speed. 1 second, one stroke, focusing your abdomen. Now we are going to do Drutagati Kapalbhati. But though you have a high blood pressure, heart disease, this should be avoided. They can do the Mandagati Kapalbhati. On this practice, we are going to do very quick 1 second 2 hammering to our abdomen. Let's start. After 20 hammering, we hold our breath, locking our throat, and finally we exhale from the nostril, both nostrils. This count as 1 round. Like this way, you can repeat 3 to 5 rounds. Let's do one more round in a fast speed. 1 second 2 hammering. These are the different variations of the Kapalbhati. Kapalbhati has numerous benefits, and I gave you different techniques that could be very helpful in your life. If you think this video is very helpful, please share this video with your friend, near, dear, in your social media. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel, Nepal Yoga Home YouTube channel. Namaste.